Growing up, I loved imagining my home of the future. I was also a huge fan of the Jetsons, so I think that also had something to do with it, but I digress. In this future, we all had smart homes, outfitted with high-end tech in every room, designed to help make our lives easier. Well, dear reader, that future is now, and if you've been paying attention, you know that home tech is at an apex. With everything from touchscreen refrigerators to smart home assistants to asterisk checks notes a personal home robot, smart homes are no longer only a thing of Hanna-Barbera's imagination. One of our favorite product developments? Smart ovens. There are many products available to choose the best ovens, each with different characteristics. To help you make informed and perfect decisions, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best ovens from reputable brands. After much research, I found these very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Ninja DT251 Foodi 10-in-1 Smart XL Air Fry Oven. Another 10-in-1 beast. The Ninja Foodi Smart XL Air Fry Oven tackles air frying, air roasting, baking, whole roasting, broiling, toasting, bagels, dehydrating, reheating, and pizza cooking with ease. Offering up to 10 times the convection powers of a full-size convection. It also features an integrated Foodi smart thermometer designed to help you reach the perfect doneness level, from rare to well done, at the touch of a button. And yes, it comes loaded with accessories including 2 sheet pans, 2 wire racks, an air fry basket, a roast tray, a crumb tray, and a 15 recipe guide. Number 2. Instant Omni Plus 19 QT 18L Air Fryer Toaster Oven Combo. You may be a fan of the Instant Pot, but the Instant Omni Plus Smart Oven may just become your new favorite product from the brand. With a 10-in-1 design, this oven can air fry, broil, bake, roast, dehydrate, reheat, rotisserie, toast, warm, and convection cook all in one appliance. Easily fitting everything from a 12-inch pizza to an entire chicken homemade rotisserie chicken. It's the ultimate sous chef. Best of all, it comes with everything you need to get started, including an enamel baking tray, stainless steel oven rack, an air fry basket, a rotisserie spit, a lift tool, and app capability with over 100 recipes right at your disposal. Number 3. NewWave Bravo Air Fryer Oven. An Amazon and customer favorite, the NewWave Bravo Air Fry Oven is a great pick for people on a budget. Coming in at under $200, this machine has 12 cooking presets for air frying, grilling, baking, broiling, roasting, dehydrating, reheating, defrosting, toasting, and more. It also comes with a host of accessories including a grill rack, a non-stick griddle, and a smart thermometer. With 4 rack positions, you can really get creative with what you cook in here, which can be almost anything as this machine reaches up to 500 degrees. Number 4. Cuisinart Chef's Convection Toaster Oven. If you're looking for a smart kitchen upgrade, you can't beat the Cuisinart Chef's Convection Toaster Oven. With 15 cooking functions, easy-to-read digital controls, and always even toast control which makes even browning a snap, this bad boy is sure to take your home cooking to the next level with ease. They also throw in a 13-inch pizza stone, 2 cooking racks, an enamel baking pan, a broiling pan, and a recipe booklet for a little culinary inspiration. Talk about value. Number 5. Best countertop oven that doesn't look like a countertop oven. Galanz 4-in-1 ToastWave with Total Fried 360. Galanz may be better known for its retro-style refrigerators and freezers. However, the Galanz 4-in-1 ToastWave with Total Fried 360 proves that the company also makes great countertop ovens. And this sleek and thoughtfully designed appliance can be used as a toaster, microwave, convection oven, and air fryer. In fact, it has 12 total cooking functions. The microwave functions include microwave, sensor cook, sensor reheat, and defrost. The toaster oven functions include broil, air fry, bake, pizza, warm, toast, bagel, and convection cook. With a 1.2 cubic foot capacity and dimensions of 22.25 inches long, 12.56 inches high, and 21.25 inches deep, the appliance, which weighs 40 pounds, has plenty of room for cooking large meals, and that's even easier with the auto programs. For example, to broil a pork chop I press AR1, and to air fry French fries I merely press AF7. The sensor cook and sensor reheat features are powered by a humidity sensor that automatically stops the cooking or reheating process when the food is done so it won't be overcooked. The Galanz 4-in-1 includes a non-stick turntable, a silicone cooking mat, and an air fry kit. It has a 1-year limited warranty. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos, so do subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you need more information or if you want to know the product's price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.